Couple things with this highlight. First of all, we had a lot of stuck longs in the book at 39.5. If I roll this up in here, you see this green? He was in there from this move lower after the open. Stuck longs create really good real time resistance. So the 39.5 area was already a place the market could go, stop, and turn back. But what could qualify a short that you want to take? You want to see new longs grow. All right. So if I take this and fast forward it right in here. Now it came off a little bit, but right there, oh, I want to back it up right there. You see this green bar that came in at 39 even? That's, oh, some extra longs are getting in to even get stuck to help fuel the downside. And there wasn't very many setups, trades, opportunities today because it's ahead of an FOMC statement coming out at the in the afternoon. So it's generally a very slow day anyway. So it's a day to keep your powder dry. The volume was pretty light. The overnight range was small. You don't want to over trade, and it's sometimes when you look too much for a trade, you'll find one. That's when not to take it. You want to slap you in the face. So having good real time resistance, it popped, it stopped, it goes back the other way. And then as we go along, there was another 38, 36.50 right in here. You could see this big green bar. If we go up here, you could see it on a scale better to really get a sense of, wow, this is a pretty decent stuck longs. And sure enough, it's great real time resistance. It goes there, comes off, goes there, comes off. Um, Not great step three or triggers to get in, but at least the recognition of where it should stop in real time. So remember, stuck longs are great resistance, stuck shorts are great support for reasons in the dynamic that people who join us understand. That's the real support resistance people should be looking for, finding, even if it's something from yesterday or 2 hours ago. But most people, when they devise their levels, they don't also incorporate, well, what happens after the day starts? What's going on during the game? Where are your levels right now? It's like only depending on the video and the preparation for the game on Sunday, and you're not using anything that happens on Sunday to adjust. So in professional athletics, and you use the game to adjust, yeah, you default to some of the things you prepared for, but the best information you're going to get is when it's happening. And so the whole idea of trap traders and stuck traders is not something I invented. It's something that I explained really well and I underscore. But as a trader from the floor, as a trader in a prop environment, that's what it was all about. It's what makes you so special when the price maybe goes up, you get short. What makes you so special that it's going to go lower and people are going to sell it after you at lower prices? What makes you so special? You're going to sell it at 20 and price is going to turn around and go lower. You're going to find sellers after you get short. What makes you so special is if you trap longs up there, because you should know that longs, after they get long, become the sellers, and the sellers that they become is what you need for the price of anything to go down. So that's what makes you so special when you get short, for people to come in after you to sell it at a lower price. The whole notion of getting them trapped short, the anticipation of when sellers come in. When people tell me they want to see selling come in before they get short, I said, well, then you're wasting some good selling. You want to see the juices come out when the steak's still on the grill. So the juice, the flavor, are the sellers that come in after you're short, or the buyers that come in after you're long. And then someone might say, well, what confirms it? Well, the OPP, the puke tool of people getting stuck. But you have to anticipate and predict what's going to happen, not what already happened. Because you could be wasting a lot of that value and buying that you need for a profitable long trade to be profitable. So there is qualifiers, but people mostly over confirm. You know what's going to confirm that the trade was good? When your profit targets get filled. Your job, our job, is to anticipate based on following the herd. Remember, you're either in our group or you're on our charts.